Alright, how to fix an ingrown toenail. That's nasty. It's painful. I've had ingrown toenails since before I was a teenager, well before, because I used to pick at my toenails, my finger and toenails when I was a little kid. So I've had these nasty things since, well, long enough that about 30 years ago I developed what I'm about to show you as a technique to get it to grow out again properly. But it involves, right now that's about 2.5 months ingrown. Normally by this point it's so painful that I gotta cut it right off again, and then you start from the beginning again. But now I've been letting it ingrow. It's kind of festering, you can see. I've been watching it closely. This is dangerous. If you end up with a septic infection here, like pus, you could go into septic shock, which is not good. So watch for that. Anyway, just yesterday I finally tried getting in under there with a forcep of some kind, and this is a Leatherman tool, that multi-tool. I soak it in iodine solution first, and then I just get in under there, and this friggin' really hurt last night. Bled like hell. Almost had it. Still bleeding a bit. Alright, you can see the edge of the toenail is out over that piece of steel now, over that forcep. I'm almost severing it there on the right. I'll have to check that closely. If I severed it, I've ruined it, then I gotta cut it. Next thing you do is get a old ice cream container, yogurt container, cut a piece out of it to go in behind there, and I'll draw it on paper and I'll show it to you. And then you fit that in there, and I've in the past crazy glued it in place, and so it's like it's a prosthetic toenail that's crazy glued in place. There's a better view. And it works really well. You let it grow for a few weeks like that. Keep gluing it, keep watching it for infection, keep giving it iodine and stuff if required, and it will eventually just grow out normal and stop hurting. And I've been wanting to document this for 10 or more years now, since the last time I had to do this. And that's it. I'll show you how it goes after I do that.